Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. My name is Courtney, and I love sharing my passion for decorating DIYs, thrift flips, shopping hauls, everything purple, and so much more. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. Today, I am taking a walk through Habitat for Humanity's Restore and showing you what they have. I didn't find anything that I particularly wanted, but I thought I'd share my journey with you anyway. So sit back and relax while we take this walkthrough. And later on, I'll show you what I did purchase at Goodwill and share some in-store vignettes. So make sure you watch all the way till the end. I was very impressed with Restore's selection of home furnishings, lamps, and lighting fixtures. They also carry a lot of building materials, and I didn't film that area too much, but I will give you a small overview of some of the products that I like. Home decor, not so much, but you be the judge. Building supplies were the largest section of the store. There were many vanities, doors, windows, tile by the palletful, forget about it. Moldings, trim, all types of building supplies. So if you are finishing off an area of your home, this is a place to come and get those deals. My next stop, Salvation Army, and then Goodwill, where I'll be sharing some in-store vignettes. So I hope you like that portion of the video. Because this is my process. I put together things that look good to me in the store and make a small vignette. That way I have an idea of how they will look in my home. And 9 times out of 10, I hit the mark dead on. So let me know which one of these vignettes is your favorite. Now, if you're enjoying today's video, do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now on to the haul. Okay, let me share with you this quick haul. So I picked up this Fiesta ware, and I picked up two different patterns. These were $3.99. The set of two plates was $1.99, and I believe these were half off at 49 cents a piece. Then I have here this beautiful set of blue glassware, and this I got for $2.99 to go with the Fiesta ware. Next, I picked up this beautiful set, and you saw this in one of my vignettes. I have the salt and pepper shakers, the creamer dish for $1.99, salad plates, and then dinner plates. This will be a setting for two, and I love this ivy on it. And then from the Grapevine Antique store, I was lucky enough to find the matching creamer and tea kettle. And also at Grapevine Antiques, I found this beautiful extra large 3-wick candle, and that is by Wickworks, and I believe the price was $9. Those I purchased at Grapevine Antiques, and I'll leave you the link for Grapevine Antiques. A lovely little local antique store, so helpful, and the items they have there are beautiful. Also at Goodwill, it was half off blue tags. So yeah, it was blue tags that were half off, not the red. So these were actually $2.99, a set of 4 marble coasters. And then also at Goodwill, $2.99, half off, a set of 4 purple napkins. A set of crystal candle holders, and I believe, I'm not sure, I'll have to check my receipt, I believe they were $2.99 or $4.99 for the set. Lastly, at Salvation Army, I only picked up 2 items, and this was this cute little chicken that I got for $3.99, and look at that, I thought that was so cute, and then $4.99 for this gorgeous decanter, and that is what I got from Salvation. And lying on the table here, I did at Stop By Home Goods, and I did not get any home decor, but in the clearance section, I found this deluxe Scrabble board, and I've never told you this, but I am a Scrabble player. Shout out to my bestie, Fee. Baby, the challenge is on when you get here from North Carolina. Okay, that's the haul for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.